Experience pure sound precision with the best inner-ear headphones designed for unmatched clarity and comfort. Engineered for immersive listening, these headphones deliver deep bass, crisp highs, and a snug fit perfect for music lovers who demand superior audio performance wherever they go. After watching the video, be sure to check the links in the description below for each item. Now, let's get started. Number 1. SHOKZ OpenRun Headphone. The SHOKZ OpenRun Headphone redefines comfort, awareness, and performance with its open-ear bone conduction design, ideal for athletes and outdoor enthusiasts who value both safety and superior sound. Built with a lightweight, wrap-around titanium frame, this model ensures a secure yet pressure-free fit, allowing hours of comfortable wear without irritation. Unlike traditional earbuds, the open-ear structure keeps your eardrums unblocked, letting you stay aware of your surroundings while enjoying your favorite music or podcasts. This makes it perfect for runners, cyclists, and commuters who prioritize situational awareness. At the heart of the OpenRun is SHOKZ's 8th-generation bone conduction technology, which delivers audio through gentle vibrations along the cheekbone, directly to the inner ear. This ensures clear, balanced, and detailed sound while maintaining ambient awareness. The result is a premium listening experience that feels natural and immersive without isolating you from your environment. The IP67 waterproof rating provides full protection against sweat, rain, and dust, while the built-in moisture detection alert guarantees safe charging even after intense workouts. Though it's not designed for swimming, its durability makes it a reliable companion for nearly any weather or activity. Battery life is another standout feature, offering up to 8 hours of continuous playback for music, calls, or podcasts. Number 2. GNMN Headphone. The GNMN Headphone delivers a combination of durability, ergonomic design, and high-quality sound, making it a reliable companion for sports enthusiasts and everyday listeners alike. Its customizable ear caps and flexible ear hooks conform perfectly to the contours of your ears, ensuring a secure and comfortable fit even during intense movement. This snug design enhances passive noise isolation and minimizes sound leakage, so you can enjoy your music clearly while remaining aware of your surroundings. The IPX7 waterproof rating ensures protection against sweat and light rain, making it suitable for outdoor workouts or heavy gym sessions. One of the standout features of the GNMN headphone is its impressive battery life. A single full charge provides up to 8 hours of continuous playback, while the portable charging case extends total usage up to 96 hours. The dual LED display clearly indicates the battery levels of both earbuds and case, keeping you informed at all times. Fast Type-C charging adds convenience, letting you power up quickly and return to your activities without delay. Advanced Bluetooth technology provides fast auto-pairing and a stable connection, with low latency for smooth audio during calls, music playback, or video streaming. Sound quality is equally impressive, thanks to the 16mm driver unit that delivers rich bass, clear mids, and crisp highs. Number 3. Occiam Headphone. The Occiam Headphone combines advanced technology, ergonomic design, and long-lasting battery performance to deliver a premium wireless audio experience. Equipped with active noise-canceling ANC technology, it reduces background noise effectively, allowing you to focus on your music, calls, or workouts without distraction. High-quality microphones provide clear call clarity, ensuring smooth communication even in noisy environments. The large 13mm speaker drivers deliver hi-fi sound, producing deep bass, balanced mids, and crisp treble, creating an immersive listening experience suitable for all types of music. Battery life is another strong point of the Occiam headphone. Each earbud provides up to 8 hours of continuous playback per charge, while the portable charging case extends total playback up to 96 hours in dual ear mode or 48 hours in single ear mode. The dual LED display conveniently shows the remaining battery for both earbuds and the case, helping you plan usage efficiently. Designed for active users, the earbuds feature ergonomic ear hooks that prevent them from falling out during jogging, gym sessions, or other high-movement activities. Lightweight, anti-allergic materials ensure comfort even during extended wear, while nano-coated waterproof protection safeguards against sweat and rain. Number 4. Soundcore Sport Headphone. The Soundcore Sport Headphone is engineered to provide optimal comfort, sound quality, and durability for athletes and fitness enthusiasts. Adjustable ear hooks rotate and extend for a fully customized fit, ensuring the earbuds stay securely in place during running, gym workouts, or outdoor sports. This adaptability maximizes comfort, allowing users to wear them for extended periods without irritation. Noise-canceling technology helps block out background distractions, from busy gyms to street noise, enabling better focus on music, podcasts, or personal goals. The Soundcore Sport Headphone features 11mm dynamic drivers powered by bass-up technology, delivering rich, deep bass and crisp, detailed highs. This audio performance ensures a motivating and immersive experience for workouts or casual listening. SweatGuard technology, combined with a submarine-inspired cavity design, protects the internal components from moisture, dust, and sweat, making the headphones highly durable in challenging environments. Battery life is long-lasting, supporting extended sessions without frequent recharging, while Bluetooth connectivity remains stable for uninterrupted playback. Number 5. SHOKZ Open-Ear Headphone. The SHOKZ Open-Ear Headphone combines open-ear innovation with comfort, durability, and premium sound, making it perfect for active users. Its lightweight, wraparound frame provides a secure fit without causing pressure or discomfort, allowing long hours of wear during workouts, commuting, or outdoor activities. Utilizing bone conduction technology, sound is transmitted through vibrations along the cheekbones to the inner ear, keeping eardrums open and enabling awareness of your environment, a critical safety feature for runners, cyclists, and city commuters. The headphone delivers balanced and rich sound with clear highs, natural mids, and satisfying bass. Its IP67 waterproof rating ensures protection against sweat and rain, and a built-in moisture detection alert ensures safe charging after exposure. Battery life supports up to 8 hours of continuous playback, with a quick charge option providing an additional 1.5 hours from just 10 minutes of charging. Bluetooth connectivity is stable and reliable, minimizing interruptions even during intense movement. Combining comfort, innovative audio technology, and practical design, the SHOKZ Open-Ear Headphone offers a versatile listening experience for fitness enthusiasts and daily users alike. Its open-ear design, robust construction, and clear sound make it a top choice for those who want to enjoy music while staying aware and safe in any environment. Like the video, hit the subscribe button, and press the bell icon.